Do you have a student that is so interested in things like the arts, like graphic design, and maybe that might be a possibility for a future career, especially middle school, high school? There is such a great option. I can't wait to share it with you today. It is called Graphic Design 101. I have received this because I'm on the Timberdoodle blog team to go through with my daughter who loves art. She's constantly drawing. She has an aunt that is a graphic designer, and so I think that this could be a potential career choice, and I am so excited to share this product with you today. Welcome to Schulte Sweeties Homeschool. My name is Stephanie, and I'm a mom of 3 girls ages 13, 9, and 7. This is our 8th year of homeschooling, and like I mentioned before, I am on the Timberdoodle blog team and received this in exchange for a video for you. And so I wanted to go through this and what this all entails. This is actually geared towards 12 and up. So my daughter is 13, and this was perfect for her. So it is on Timberdoodle's website for $250. As you know, a lot of times those upper level courses do cost more. It is also included in their non-religious 9th grade curriculum kit if you are interested in that. So this is from the Film School for Teens. They have some awesome different options for different classes for like middle school, high school to go through, especially with like careers and like arts. Like I think there's a photography one, I think there's a film one. So there's all sorts of different courses from Film School for Teens, and you can purchase them on Timberdoodle's website. I will link it all down below. But this is such a fun thing. So what it is a course set up online. So they log in and they will watch a video. So the lessons are broken up into like 5 steps. So you would first watch the video online, and then they have you open your workbook up and you watch the video again and kind of fill in the blanks and the things, go through what you need to. After that, you complete an assignment. Usually it's hands-on, getting them really kind of doing more with what they've learned. Then they can watch a student workshop where like the students that they have recorded like have completed the assignment and what they thought of that. And then they can take a quiz. So this comes with a PDF. This is the PDF that I've printed out. It is 100 pages worth of printing. I printed it on every front and back, so it was less paper that I printed out. Have access to that PDF so you can print it out, and this will be their workbook that they're using. I will go through the 12 lessons that they will be doing. So it's right here on the table of contents. So they have Lesson 1, the intro is Intro to Graphic Design. Lesson 2 is Learning Common Applications. Lesson 3 is File Management. 4 is Elements of Design. 5 is Principles of Design. 6 is Color Theory. 7 is Design Process. 8 is Using the Grid. 9 is Typography. Lesson 10 is branding, 11 is making a campaign, and 12 is meeting designers and creatives. So 12, the lesson, it goes through and they like do some interviews with different graphic designers and artists and things. And then they encourage the student to go and find someone themselves to interview and find out more about like their career and things. It is a very kind of a quick study, 12 lessons. So you could do it, you could probably do it twice a week even, could do one of those steps each day. But you could probably complete this in 10 to 12 weeks, about a semester. And in fact, it is considered you could give a semester credit for this curriculum. So you don't need special equipment for this. A lot of times they use like free resources. One was Canva, I know for sure. She has had to have like magazines to kind of cut clippings out of the magazines. But internet is the main thing that's needed, so you can watch the videos and get the PDF and everything. The course is online. So that is the main thing that is needed. You don't need like lots of extra things. I'm just gonna quickly flip through to one of the assignments. So this is lesson 5. And so it tells you to watch this video, and then you fill in the blanks so you can watch the video again. They do strongly encourage you to have your student watch the video twice, so they're gaining more knowledge. So they're watching it without the book open and then watching it again and filling in the blanks. And it has, this one has principles of design right here. Then this is their assignment that they're going to do, and it tells them what they need to do. More of the assignment here. This is more pages for this particular assignment. Quite a few pages in this one. And then you have a notes section here. So then you're just moving on to the next lesson. But like I said, there is a quiz. So the quiz is actually right after, like on the website, in the course, it is listed right after the video has been watched. So they would click completed and continue, and they can go straight to the quiz. It looks to be like the quizzes are around 3 to 6 questions each week, and then there is a final quiz, about 20 questions at the end of week 12. And then at the end, it also has the answers for like the workbook if you have questions. Most of the workbook pages for like what they fill in are mainly fill in the blank like this. So it's not too hard. So if you did have questions, you could go refer back to but I think a lot of them are just straight from the videos. So it's not too very hard to find the answers as well. So that is this course. And it says at the end here, if you're eager to showcase your completed campaign project, please feel free to reach out through direct messages on social media or via email. They love to highlight and celebrate your exceptional work. So it has like how you can kind of keep in touch with them. This course is self-paced. It is not live. So the parent is kind of grading and making sure the work is done. There's no like grading from the company. It is not faith-based. And when you purchase this on Timberdoodle, you do get 18 months to complete it. And that can kind of, if you were down to the wire and couldn't complete it, and then you could contact them and they might be able to work with you a little bit. Let me know if you have any questions about Graphic Design 101. It is such a great option for those kids that really are considering art as an option for their future. I will talk to you later. Don't forget, I will link it all down below.